The tech landscape has changed drastically since OpenAI introduced ChatGPT. Because of its immense capability, the OpenAI large language model can perform various tasks, including creative tasks like essay writing, number crunching, code writing, and more. People are now using ChatGPT's incredible AI capabilities to make extra money. With ChatGPT and its variants, you may easily create apps and services without having any prior programming language experience. In addition, it's used for launching new businesses and affiliate marketing, among many other things. AI is the solution for someone who needs quick cash now, but doesn't have the time to learn web development or enroll in a Photoshop course. New programs can take simple instructions and create viable content that can be monetized, but just doesn't work. And people on the internet need to stop telling you it does. People must believe 4 things for a Rift to be successful: that it is credible, that it will bring them wealth or a better life, that it will be simple, and that the grifter knows the key to make it all work. I'm going to focus on how you can use this new ad book with ChatGPT to help you when it comes to making money online. In this video, I will show you an insanely simple way to make money with ChatGPT AI. Will be a better opportunity for scammers than cryptocurrency, and it's already starting. Creating and monetizing a faceless channel is an excellent technique to generate passive income on YouTube. You can concentrate on producing excellent content and promoting it to a broad audience when using a faceless channel. You may monetize your anonymous channel and start making money by using technologies like YouTube ads, Google AdSense, and affiliate marketing. You must first choose a topic for your video. You can use ChatGPT to find traffic-generating and SEO-friendly video topics. To develop the script for a quick video, you can utilize ChatGPT or other AI tools like Jasper or Copy AI. For instance, you can ask ChatGPT to publish funny information about specific topics. You can also ask ChatGPT to expand on the material it produces to develop a script for a lengthy video. Then you can create a human-like voiceover for the video using AI tools such as Murf, Descript, or Speechify. With AI voiceover technology, you can create audio that sounds just like a human voice. The Pictory AI visual content production platform, which uses AI to make videos from text, can turn the script into a video. Additionally, it can generate text and images automatically, which speeds up, enhances, and lowers the cost of producing visual content. The output can be modified in style, tone, and quality to meet client needs. You might also use more conventional video editing programs like InVideo or Canva. You can even create a virtual spokesperson for the video using AI techniques. Artificial intelligence techniques like Typecast, Movio, and Synthesia can be used to generate virtual spokespersons. With the use of these tools, text can be turned into videos that feature a virtual spokesman. Additionally, ChatGPT can assist you in optimizing your video's titles, descriptions, and tags so that search engines correctly search them and make it simpler for users to find your material. However, there is a downside. The majority barely earn a few bucks every day. Making videos takes time, so letting AI handle everything for you fits well into one of the essential components of a strong gimmick, making people think it will be simple. The problem is that AI is simply not very good yet, and because people aren't trying, you don't see many other channels operated by robots. The reason is that a YouTube algorithm isn't making them as apparent as it formerly did. After all, there are more effective videos produced by genuine creators who continue to make an attempt. Mr. Beast or the PewDiePie may not be your cup of tea, but they are far more interesting than an online word generator. As a result, they get millions of views, while the millions of people attempting to build automated channels get none. The use of ChatGPT can be beneficial to software development in a variety of ways. It might start by offering technical guidance and insight, assessing code, and resolving code issues to assist with software development. Utilizing these characteristics may expedite the software development process and boost productivity. Programs that require natural language processing, such as chatbots, can be developed using the ChatGPT API. Additionally, ChatGPT may offer beneficial code snippets in any programming language by using a text prompt that defines the application's needs. But it's not really that simple, and you'll need to have some fundamental programming skills. But it's not a sustainable method to make a good living. With ChatGPT, you can create content marketing plans that employ AI to deliver customized, audience-specific content. Using ChatGPT as a content marketer can be beneficial in various ways. First, giving you access to a wealth of knowledge on various subjects might help you generate content ideas. ChatGPT may also assist with search engine optimization by offering pertinent keywords and assessing your material structure. Examining their interests and behaviors can also help you create customized and appealing content for your audience. You can offer these services to companies and content producers who want to optimize their content for more interaction and visibility. Additionally, ChatGPT can automate various operations to save time and effort, such as creating social media posts and email marketing. In the end, ChatGPT may improve your content marketing approach by offering insightful information and streamlining several chores so that you can concentrate on creating high-quality content that appeals to your target audience. Although it appears to be an excellent method of increasing income, it does not result in daily earnings of $300. You can build chatbots that can manage support tickets, close sales, and more with the ChatGPT API. You can generate money by selling these chatbot services to companies and organizations that need to automate their customer service and sales processes. You can train them on their company information by giving ChatGPT information about them, such as their working hours, services, or products, and commonly asked questions. You may also offer sample answers to some questions to teach ChatGPT how you want it to respond to queries. The chatbot can reply to client inquiries based on the data provided. However, you will require programming knowledge. If not, you won't make more money. According to ZipRecruiter, a freelance writer earns an average yearly salary of $68,690. That is significantly more than $1,000 weekly. What if you could outline and conduct research using ChatGPT to write more quickly? You might work fewer hours and make more money. As we wrap up this video, the possibilities and potential of using AI, especially with ChatGPT, for various tasks, are truly fascinating. It has undoubtedly changed the tech landscape, offering innovative solutions for content creation, software development, and much more. However, it's essential to recognize that while AI can be a powerful tool, it's not a magic solution for quick cash or overnight success. Whether you're considering creating a faceless YouTube channel, providing content marketing services, or building customized chatbots, incorporating AI can enhance your productivity and creativity. But remember, success still requires effort, skill, and a solid understanding of the subject matter. So, what's your take on AI's impact on our digital world? Are you excited about its potential or cautious about its limitations? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you want to explore more AI-related topics and stay up to date, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Together, let's continue our journey in this ever-evolving AI landscape. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy exploring!